our family's chicken cacciatore. So we have a cut up chicken that I browned in just a little bit of olive oil because you get a ton of drippings from the chicken itself. So it's bone in, skin on chicken. And these are the chicken drippings that we're now going to brown some fresh mushrooms in. Now you can use any mix of mushrooms you like. I just bought about 3/4 of a pound or so. I just put in a few fat handfuls. These are cremini mushrooms or baby portobellas, so they're going to be really meaty tasting. I'm also adding porcini mushroom. We like to cook ours in beef stock, but you can cook it in chicken stock too. And we have reconstituted porcini that'll be the other mushroom in the dish. We browned the cut up chicken with just a little salt and pepper. Here we have, but not until the mushrooms are brown. We always brown the mushrooms first before we salt them and before we add other vegetables. Why? So they develop their flavor more fully. This will get nice and meaty if it browns on its own. Salt draws out liquid, it will slow that browning process. So then we're going to add carrot, celery, onion, and our family loves garlic. So I put in some crushed garlic and about 3 tablespoons of rosemary. For our side dish, you have choices. You can make mashed potatoes. You can simply serve some charred ciabatta bread, which I have right here. My favorite for our family is polenta, and I make a different type of polenta. I love this polenta that's made with a little bit of buckwheat in it. Now we're going to add in our rosemary, carrot, celery, onion, your basic building blocks, right? We're going to throw all that in there, and for our family, always garlic. Now we may add some salt to draw out the liquids and the flavor. While we're letting this sweat out, we're going to remove the reconstituted porcini and chop that up and reserve the stock. Okay guys, now we're going to add a couple tablespoons of the tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste. I'm using sun-dried because it's extra tangy. That's about 2 tablespoons. These are the fresh mushrooms and the porcini. I removed the porcini and reserved their stock. Okay, that's right here. Into the pan now, we're going to add our wine. About 1/3 of a bottle. This is Rosso di Montalcino, and we use that wine to pick up all of those drippings. We're allowing the alcohol to cook off a bit, of course. We're working over about medium-high heat here. And remember, reserve the bottom of the pot from the mushrooms, okay? Because they can have grit. So that last little bit, let that go bye-bye. Now to our cacciatore, we're going to add our can of tomato, San Marzano tomato. Now, we stir this around. I did that with some tongs, or you can use a wooden paddle, and then slide all your chicken back in, our bone and skin on chicken. And we're going to transfer this into a 400-degree oven until the chicken is cooked through to 165. Okay, guys, so this is our gorgeous cacciatore out of the oven. Look at that. The crispy skin, the reduced sauce with the red wine.